Hello viewers, welcome to Clean Mind Inner Peace channel. I am here to talk about stress and the simple tip which helps to relieve your stress. Day-to-day activities in an adult's life can be exhausting. One gets tired and can get easily stressed out. Stress is a normal part of life. You can experience stress from your environment, your body, and your thoughts. Stress that continues without relief can lead to a condition called distress, a negative stress reaction. Distress can disturb the body's internal balance or equilibrium, leading to physical symptoms such as headaches, an upset stomach, elevated blood pressure, chest pain, and problem sleeping. Emotional problems can also result from distress. These problems include depression, panic attacks, or other forms of anxiety and worry. Yes, stress is really dangerous to our health. Sometimes, with all of the life responsibilities, we forget that we need and deserve downtime and self-care. Taking even a few minutes on a regular basis to devote to a hobby can give you more of what you need in this area. With art, you have the additional benefits of being left with something beautiful or at least interesting to show for it. Art therapy has been widely practiced for many years, both formally in a therapeutic context and informally among those who simply feel better when they draw. Drawing mandalas had a calming effect on his patients while facilitating their processing of thoughts and emotions. Creating art can minimize anxiety and life mood. Coloring pictures can relieve anxiety. To do this, you really don't need any skills. Interest or an hobby can help to practice this activity. Drawing or paintings can also improve focus because when you are drawing, you give your complete attention and focus to the process and you are not easily distracted by your surroundings. Making art means you get creative, you start thinking outside the box, you search for new methods of self-expression. Drawing or coloring can be encouraged to our kids as well, which can improve their concentration and creativity. Guys, start practicing drawing or coloring to improve or to get rid of stress. Thanks for watching. Hope this was useful.